In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote via social media on WordPress.com. A simple tutorial designed especially for beginners. If you're new to WordPress.com or just starting to explore the potential of promoting your site through social media, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive right into the process, starting from the very beginning. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the WordPress.com dashboard. This is the control center where you'll manage your WordPress site and access all the tools you'll need for promoting content across various social media platforms. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left sidebar, and there you'll find a section labeled Tools. Click on it, and this will reveal a range of functionalities that WordPress offers to help optimize and improve your website. Next, among the options under the Tools section, you should click on Marketing. This part of the dashboard is specifically dedicated to tools that can enhance the visibility of your blog or website. Diving into the marketing section opens up different strategies you can employ to get your content noticed by a broader audience. After you've entered the marketing section, locate the menu item labeled Connections. Selecting this will take you to a page where you can manage connections with various social media platforms. It's a crucial step as it sets the stage for integrating your WordPress site with platforms that can drive traffic and engagement. Within the Connections page, you'll now want to click on Share Posts with Jetpack Social. This feature is particularly powerful because it allows you to automatically share your posts to your connected social media accounts. This automation can save you a lot of time and ensures that your content reaches your followers immediately after being published. As you navigate through these steps, remember that good marketing is all about consistency and reach. By following this process, you are setting your site up to actively engage with your audience on social media, which can significantly enhance your blog's visibility and traffic. Take your time to explore each section of the dashboard, as WordPress offers various other features that might be beneficial to your promotional strategy. And there you have it, a straightforward way to promote your WordPress.com site using social media. Leveraging these built-in tools not only helps simplify your efforts, but also gives your content the exposure it deserves. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials that help make your WordPress journey even more successful.